replacement. So you want to go to online return, obviously. And then normally this is when I would type in their phone number, but because they're not here, because they just didn't come and pick up their order, we have this barcode here that you can scan. There's also, sorry. Wait, actually, oh, it's right here. Let me see if it has it. No, also this will be the packing slip that comes on all of our bags. Usually it's a bag, not a box, but there's a store scan right there. Normally, for some reason, the scanner doesn't usually pick that up. Like, let's say, like, see, it just doesn't go for it. So usually you'll have to enter this in. What I find it easier is just to enter their phone number, which again, just click the phone lookup. Yeah. Do you like that better? Because it just makes it like 5 minutes faster, in my opinion. And I also don't like I don't like typing in the jumble of numbers that is. But so you can go ahead and scan this. Usually it's pretty good on the BOPUS bags. And then, do you want to finish this return? So go ahead and scan the item. Oh, we have another one too. Yeah. So it can be as many items as there are on the receipt that you can return. Okay. It will let you know, like, let's say you accidentally scan that item again. It'll let you know that the item is already on the receipt. Okay. And like, let's say you like scan a wrong item. It'll say that it's unable to process the return because it's not a valid item. Okay, that's pretty neat. Okay. And then go ahead and finish that return. So since they're not here, we can't like double check their card information, but again, that's not our fault. And then, so this is like what it normally looks like when you're doing a receipt. So for these kind of transactions, we both email and print it, just so we have the record that we did return it, in case like they do like end up being like, oh, I didn't get refunded from my card, yada yada yada. Sometimes the email address won't pop up. In that case, you don't enter an email address because we don't know their email address. So you go ahead and print that, and then normally you'll just hand it to the customer. I'll go ahead and handle this. There's more we have to do with it, but that's not on you today. That's kind of it all. That was a lot in a very short amount of time, and I have been doing this for a very long time, as I said, so I'm probably not like perfect with like not knowing what I'm doing, but let's go ahead and do a practice transaction.
Hey Daniel, if someone doesn't pick up the pickup, it expires and you have to do that. Where do you put the receipt?
Oh, okay. So what we do is we go ahead and, because normally we go ahead and we write their name on the top. And then, give me 1 second.